Welcome to Toledo Clinic TV. Our guest is Diane Cherry, and she is with the Victory Center, which is a really wonderful center in the community for cancer patients, survivors. Who benefits from this center?
Well, cancer survivors, cancer patients, and family members also. So basically, we are there for anybody in the community who has a cancer diagnosis or has been through cancer. So we have a whole myriad of things that we do for them.
Give me an example.
Well, while you're going through treatment and 6 months after treatment, you can take advantage of any of our one-on-one therapies. And these are meant to be complementary to any treatment that you're going through for your cancer. So we have oncology massage, we have Reiki, reflexology, facials, healing touch, sound therapy, all things that are to help you feel more relaxed, help with some of your stress, help with some of your side effects like nausea, sleeplessness, things like that.
So it's really an approach that attacks physically, the doctor's taking care of the physical component of fighting cancer, but this takes care of the mind and the spirit as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's the perfect way to put it.
And how is it beneficial to the patient in the end?
Well, there's actually been a lot of research over the years of how things like Reiki, which is energy work, has to do with the energy fields in your body and balancing your energy, and oncology massage and things like that, how it actually helps alleviate stress. It helps, it's very meditative, and so you can kind of lose yourself for a while and not think about your cancer. And the belief is that when all of your energy is flowing the way that it should and you're more relaxed, that's going to help you heal faster.
That makes perfect sense.
Absolutely.
And so it's also a good support for families because caregivers need support too when there's a diagnosis.
Absolutely. We say that cancer doesn't just happen to the patient, it happens to the whole family. And so we have all sorts of things for family members as well as caregivers, and then for survivors also. So talking about the family members in particular, we have a support group that is just for caregivers because caregivers have a very unique perspective. There's things that they want to talk about or need to talk about that they might not be able to talk about in front of their loved one. So this gives them an outlet where they can share with other people who are going through the same things.
And it doesn't matter what type of cancer it is. It doesn't matter if it's a man or a woman, young or old.
Exactly.
Anybody can come to the Victory Center?
Absolutely anybody can come to the Victory Center. You don't need a formal referral from your physician. A lot of the Toledo Clinic physicians and nurses do encourage their patients to come to the Victory Center, which we certainly appreciate. But you don't have to have any sort of formal referral. So anybody can come to us. The first step is they go through a welcome interview. It takes about an hour. And one of our volunteers or staff members will just kind of walk you through and explain what is Reiki, what is reflexology. We'll tell you about all of our group classes that you can take part in. And then they'll give you a tour of the facility, and then you can start signing up for any of the programs.
So why wouldn't someone take advantage of something like this?
Exactly, exactly. Well, everything is free at the Victory Center, so you don't have to worry about how to pay for it or anything like that. And besides all of those individual treatments, we have lots of group activities, and these are for survivors forever. So we have some people who are 1-year survivors, we have people who are 10-year survivors, and everything in between. So you can come as long as you'd like. And the really unique thing about that is, say you're sitting in a support group and you're newly diagnosed with, let's say, breast cancer, and you're sitting next to somebody who's a 10-year survivor of breast cancer. That's inspiring, that's helpful. That's somebody who's walked the walk and can talk to you about your particular fears or anxieties about it. Besides support groups, we have lots of group activities like we have exercise almost every day of the week. We have several yoga classes, which is very beneficial for cancer patients. We have an aquatics exercise program that we do down the street at Central Park West, but it's just for our cancer patients. We have fun exercise like belly dancing, which is really fun, great exercise, but a lot of fun, and the women love that. We also have fun things, like besides just belly dancing, we have art therapy. We have aromatherapy, where you can learn about essential oils and how those can help you with some of your side effects or effects from treatment. We have nutrition classes to teach you about how important nutrition is and what you can do if you're nauseous or if you have a protein deficiency, all those things to help you through.
Is there any other center like this in the area, because this is pretty comprehensive.
It is very comprehensive. We worked hard to try to provide lots of different things. So there's kind of something for everyone, and you can get as involved as you want. There's some people that just come to exercise. There's some people that just come to support groups, and there's people that take advantage of everything. But there's not really very many places like the Victory Center. We're completely independent. We're completely local. There are agencies that are similar. There's one in Columbus. There's one in Cleveland. But there's really nothing else like the Victory Center around here.
And if people want more information, they can find it where?
Well, you can go to our website, which is www.thevictorycenter.org. We also have a phone number you can call and talk to anyone there, and that number is 419-531-7600. But both of those will help you. We also have brochures in almost all of the Toledo Clinic offices, other hospitals, other doctors' offices, so you can find that as well.
Easy to find.
Easy to
All
find.
right. Thank you, Diane, very much. We appreciate that.
Thank you.
All right, we're back in just a moment.